There are a few kinds of internships which I tell everyone to do at least once during their law school. These may be fieldwork, NGO internships, litigation, corporate law firms, and especially interning under a judge. I did my judicial internship at the Allahabad High Court in Prayagraj, and it was indeed a great learning experience. The experience and wisdom of a judge is unmatched, and you as an intern stand a chance to learn a lot from them, which does not just help you in the limited field of law, but in life as well. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Varun Deval, your go-to friend for anything related to law school, excelling in college and opportunities beyond that. In today's video, I'll share with you my experience of working under a judge at the Allahabad High Court, the kind of work to expect, the experience of being on the decision-making side of the justice system, and my interactions with the judge. Towards the end, I'll also share how you can apply for such positions as well. So make sure to watch till the end, and I hope this is helpful for you all. If you want to avail such good opportunities like interning under a judge, you have to start today with a decent CLAT preparation. And to help you with that, there is Physics Wala. They are here with their CLAT Kaksha 2026 batches, जिसकी एक क्लास में सिर्फ 50 students हैं with two-way interactive classes, so you can get all your doubts cleared. You will get access to CLAT Rank Booster 2026, mentorship from NLU students, 50 mock tests, PYQs and Khazana feature, and a CLAT kit जिसमें 3 offline mock tests मिलते हैं along with flashcards. You can also schedule these batches according to your preference, like the morning batch for people who are taking a drop year and the evening batch for people who are managing this with their school as well. All these things are available just for ₹29,999, and just for you guys, you can use my code Varun to get an additional discount of ₹3,000. I have added all the relevant links in the description, so make sure to check that out. My college break at the National Law School Bengaluru was coming up, and this time around, I was inclined to intern under a High Court judge. I updated my CV, prepared a decent cover letter, and sent in my application. I got selected, and here I was on my first day at the Allahabad High Court in Prayagraj. Your first day generally starts with a briefing by the chamber staff in the judges' chambers. You will be handed an entry pass through which you will be allowed entry into the High Court, and you will go to the chambers of the judge where the support staff or the chamber staff are present. Their role often involves typing out the judgments and orders with the judge is giving, handling day-to-day activities and files, and providing assistance to the judge. Now, while interning under a judge, you could be involved in various activities, ranging from attending courtroom proceedings and learning the manners of the court and analyzing the reasoning of a court in coming to a decision. You may also be involved in doing some research work for the court, where you may be assisting the law clerks which are already present under the judge. You may be required to prepare briefs of judgments and orders of the court and trace the positions of law. How is this work different from what you're required to do in a litigation internship? There, you're required to learn how an advocate in real time navigates these legal situations and focuses on winning the case. Here, your objective is to learn how a judge applies his wisdom and renders justice after listening to arguments from both the parties. You may also have the privilege to be in conversation with the judge you are interning under, and in my opinion, this is the most valuable experience in this internship. During my internship, I had numerous meaningful conversations with the Hon'ble Judge. One of the first conversations that I had was about the future of litigation in India. We discussed how in future India may move towards pre-litigation and ADR for dispute resolution because of the pendency in courts and the amount of time it takes once a case is filed. Pre-litigation focuses on settling a dispute beforehand and avoiding going to a court altogether. This in fact is quite common in Western jurisdictions, where going to a court is very costly. Parties and their lawyers try to compromise and settle a dispute beforehand. The series Suits will give you a very good understanding of this. The Honorable Judge also mentioned to me the importance of being visible in the legal profession. There are thousands of advocates in every court. In fact, the Allahabad High Court alone has more than 15,000 advocates practicing in Prayagraj. To be successful in such a huge number, you have to be visible. Respecting your seniors, getting your work done in time, and having an inquisitiveness to learn more about a topic are things which go a long way in making this happen. Legal profession in this sense requires you to be social among your peers and encourages you to meet new people. Moreover, this will immensely help you later in life when you may be recommended for a judgeship or the position of a designated senior advocate. There were numerous other things as well which I learned during this internship, which I am regularly sharing on my Instagram channel through Reels, so you can check them out as well. Now let's come to the important question: how to apply for this judicial internship. Usually internships under a High Court judge are open for 3rd, 4th, 5th year law students studying in a 5-year course and 2nd and 3rd year students studying in a 3-year LLB course. You have to start by first identifying the Honorable Judge who aligns with your interest area. You can read their news articles and the information available on the High Court website for this. Next, you have to check if that particular High Court provides a method to apply online. A lot of High Courts have moved towards this, like the High Courts in Allahabad and Andhra Pradesh. Another way which you can use, which is more direct and personal, is by trying to connect with the personal secretary or the chamber staff of the judge. You can find their email IDs on the High Court website or through LinkedIn. You can very politely ask them if there is any vacancy for internship and how you can apply for the same. Now you have to draft a personalized cover letter and CV. A letter of recommendation is a great addition to your application. Finally, go ahead and submit your application. If there is an interview, be confident and be well versed about your subject and you are good to go. Now, if you're confused about how to prepare a CV, I'm hosting a masterclass for you all on this topic that you should totally check out. I will be breaking down each section of a CV for you all, and we will discuss how to write each section under description there sharply. At the end, I will also share a Word document of a sample CV for you all. The link to register for the masterclass is in the description below, and the last day is coming soon. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you have any doubts, comment down below or DM me on my Instagram channel. Till then, take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.